Good morning, night shifters. Got a double header for you. We have a how to hack the how to hack the PDT and a where does your paycheck video go. So first is going to be how to hack the PDT as we check out the brokerage. All we're really trying to do is put sell orders in for these ones that are missing here. And you can see on the P&L open, they're pretty much all in profits. So hopefully they sell 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for this broker on Monday. So we pull up a spreadsheet here. We have ASO. We'll take that number times 1.01. That's the sell target I like. And we're going to rip through these. So we'll get through this part first, and then we'll head into where does your paycheck go. You can see it's well over the sell target already. So hopefully it lets me put this in, and we make more. The limit is the least amount you'll take, but you can always make more than that. And happy to put in for the system and get surprised. CRBG, looks like we just got back in this one. It was one that we had frequented and sold. But you can shear a sheep many times, so shear that sucker. Limit order to cancel extended hours. Probably just rip right through this nice and quick. Get on to the paycheck. Gentech, there's 4 shares here. For Gentech, I'm going to add these up. Add all these up. Now divide by 4 to get an average. And I'm taking that number times 1.01. Again, pause the video, do the math for yourself. So that way you learn. You can't follow me anyway. You can't keep up. It's impossible. Alright. Moving right along. Last one, Wolverine. Pretty cool. And hopefully you guys see the way that the system takes advantage of the volatility in the markets. We sold this, got right back in for less than we sold it. The stock's trending down, and we're pulling money out consistently, and a repeatable strategy. This one is way over our sell target as well. Limit order good till cancel, extended hours. Just want to double check this one. Okay, yeah. All right. Got that. So if you're still here, hit the like button, make sure you're subscribed, and share this with your friends, and let's get into where does your paycheck go? That's a question I ask myself every time I go to work, and I'm not going to work the rest of the year, so I guess I won't ask that question much anymore, but there's still a portion of my passive income that comes in that I deploy through this strategy, and what we're mainly going to focus on here is this high income account. So let's go through the screen. We're just looking for a swing trade setup. And then if there's nothing, we'll use my modified version of the wheel strategy. And I'm going to focus on dogs of the Dow for that strategy. Again, this list is not a recommendation. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do here. But this is my watch list. I don't own all of these, but if they set up, I will buy them. And that's just me. That's my journey. But hopefully you can pick up a little bit and learn and develop your own system. You decide to manage your own money. And if not, just go pay somebody. But the statistics are not with you on that one. This Ochi, I own a bunch of it. Way too much of it. It never did hit. It was close to hitting the 30. And you see a lot of these are pretty trendy downwards. And that is not for everyone. But this purpose of this is solely to put the active income, the paycheck money, in a source that immediately creates very high dividends, typically 10% plus a year, that I can move into the trading account, which I can fund an investing account with. And I have a lot of fun doing it, and I enjoy taking you along with me. This one is very close. It's 342 over 342, so it really just needs one more day. But we'll leave that for another account. I have another account that will capitalize on that just fine. That is not this one. I don't think there's anything in here. I'm just making sure. I'm pretty sure I looked at it yesterday, but the days come together. You work off shift. So it'd be nice to get back on day shift schedule, sleeping wise, get the holidays over with, and see if we get this Santa Claus rally. So do you think we'll get one? Leave it down in the comments. I'd be curious to know. But I'm seeing a lot of weird things out in the wild as far as prices. Just got back from the grocery store. All right, so nothing. That's okay. We're just going to hit this, and I'm going to go ahead and pull up my account. And I'm just going to pick whichever one has the lowest equity. Looks like this is exactly the same list as it was last time. So nice and easy, not a whole lot to talk about here. But that's what I'm doing. That's how I work it. And for another recapper here, that's this one. And it feeds the trading account, which feeds the investing account, which feeds my bank account. And that's how I work the money. So hopefully it's helpful to you. If it is, let me know down below. Leave me a like on your way out. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.